Can I have just a minute of your time? I'll take that as a yes. I would like to invite you to learn one of the most interesting, and I'd even say exciting, programming languages out there today, Ruby. If you've got a little bit of programming under your belt and you're well on your way to a high-paid CIS career, I recommend that you check out CIS199R Introduction to Ruby. So let's say that you're well on your way to that lucrative career in databases, networks, or web development. You've got a little bit of programming under your belt. You tried PHP, or you've gotten started on your sequence of Java classes or C# classes or whatever. That's all good. But consider Ruby. In Ruby, everything's an object. Even things like numbers. Everything's an object. Yeah, I know. When you slip that under your scalp, everything changes. Everything's an object. Oh, and have you heard about these things called anonymous functions or closures? Every modern language has them. JavaScript is full of them. Well, Ruby has 3 ways of doing anonymous functions. Why 3? Because it's Ruby. And can we be honest with each other for just a minute here? There's no shame here. We've all done this. So you're programming a loop, and you get your initial conditions off or your end conditions off, and then before you know it, you're debugging one of those pesky off by 1 errors, right? Well, in Ruby, you can't make that mistake. That's right. Ruby has iterators. And what's more, you can put them in any of your own classes. Yeah, you can mix them right in. But wait, it gets better. In this class, in CIS199R, we are going to go even further. While we're exploring this really cool language, we're going to use state-of-the-art tools and state-of-the-art development processes to apply Ruby to small but real-world problems. First, we'll start out using it as a scripting language. You've heard it said that Ruby's the new Perl. Well, for all you networking or database types, you'll learn how to use Ruby from the command line to convert data formats to connect up applications. It's the glue, if you will, that you'll be using through your whole career. And then we'll go on further, and we'll use Ruby for web development. Did you know that you can write, using Ruby and the Sinatra gem, you can write an entire interactive web application in 1 page? 1 page. Yeah, 1 page. Yeah, so we'll go beyond that. We'll use what's called Ruby on Rails. It's a web framework. You may have heard of it. It's used by startups and large companies all over the world to build industrial strength, secure web applications very quickly. And Portland in particular has a vibrant Ruby and Ruby on Rails community. And we'll also plug you into that so you can start building your business network for when you want to get a programming job or any kind of other CIS career. So talk to your advisor, okay? Now, this is not an introduction to programming course. We need you to have something under your belt. So prerequisites would be things like CIS 133, any language, CIS 195, JavaScript or PHP, CS 161. And if you don't have those prerequisites, email me. My name's Al Zimmerman. I'm the instructor. And show me your programming chops. If you've got 1 language underway, make Ruby your second language. You won't regret it. So like I said, I'm Al Zimmerman. I'm the instructor. I'm really excited about this sort of thing. I use Ruby in my day-to-day job at doing web development, and I'd like to share it with you. Email me at this address. On here somewhere, and talk to your advisor. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks. Yeah, so it went a little longer than a minute, but sorry.